All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. Okay, this is a very simple one. So we're going to have that this is 5 raised power x dot 7 raised power x squared is equal to 5 dot 7. 5 times 7 is 35. And let me keep all the 5 one place and then all the 7 one place. So I'm going to have that this is 7 raised power x squared over 7 is equal to 5 over 5 raised power x. All right. So I did not change it. This can come down while this go down. All right. So this could be written as raised power 1, raised power 1. So I'm having that 7 raised power x squared minus 1. According to the law of indices, if you have divide, you can subtract the power. Okay, is equal to 5 raised power 1 minus x. All right. Let's take the log of both sides. Take the log of both sides in base 7 or base 5. Anyone you like is still the same thing. So let us take for base 7. I'm going to have that this is log x squared minus 1 base 7 is equal to log 1 minus, sorry, this is 7 raised to power 7 raised to power x squared minus 1, okay, is equal to this is 5 raised to power 1 minus x. You can actually take the log of both sides in base 10. In any base, you still get the same answer. But for easier, to make it easier, just take it in base 7 or in base 5. The same answer is what you're going to get. So if this is going to the back, I'm going to be having that this is x squared minus 1 log 7 base 7 is equal to 1 minus x, okay, then log 5 base 7. You know that when the log and the base are the same thing, that the answer is 1. So 1 times this, I'm still having x squared minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x in bracket of log 5 base 7. Okay, so this is going to be x squared minus 1, then okay, and this is going to be, let me bring this to this side. I'm bringing these people to this side. It's going to be minus into 1 minus x, okay, then log 5 base 7 is equal to 0. Okay, now if I use this minus to clear here, I'm going to be having this is x squared minus 1, okay, plus inside here will now change to be x minus 1, then log 5 base 7 is equal to 0. Okay, that is using minus again to multiply this people. Okay, let me make it clear for you. To make it clearer, it's going to be, there is minus here into, if I bring minus outside, I'm going to be having x plus 1, x minus 1 here. Okay, then log 5 base 7 is equal to 0. So that minus times this will give you the minus x, and minus times this will give you the plus 1. Okay, so then minus minus is now giving me plus. So I'm having that x squared minus 1, then plus x minus 1, then log 5 base 7 is equal to 0. Now, this is difference of two squares. So I'm going to be having that this is x plus 1 and then x minus 1. Okay, then plus x minus 1 log 5 base 7 is equal to 0. Now, we can factor something out. They have x minus 1 in common. So I am left with this one, which is x plus 1, then plus log 5 base 7, okay, is equal to 0. And don't forget that when the product of two things is 0, automatically one of them must be 0. So we can now conclude that x minus 1 is 0, or x plus 1 plus log 5 base 7 is 0. So automatically from the first one, we see that x is equal to 1, or from the second one, we can see that x is equal to minus 1 minus log 5 base 7. Okay, so what do we do here? Okay, nothing to do. This could be these are the solution to this problem. So Thank you very much for watching. Or we can equally say that this is x is equal to minus into 1 plus log 5 base 7. Okay, so which could be x is equal to minus into this could be written as log 7 base 7 then plus log 5 base 7. Okay, so this is x is equal to minus into log, if the base are the same thing, I can say 7 times 5. Okay, so this will be minus log 35 base 7. So x is 1 or this. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and then comment as well.